Lower function is very simple function. This function converts all uppercase letters in a text string to lowercase letters. This function has only one argument. In text argument, type the text string or select the cell reference you want to convert to lowercase. Characters in text string that are not letters are not changed. Only alphabetical letters are changed. Click Cancel. Active this cell. In Formulas tab, click Text arrow button. Click Lower function. In Function Arguments dialog box, select this cell reference in text box. Click OK. Lower function has changed the uppercase letter string in lowercase letter string. Paste the formula in other cell. Press mouse and drag to this cell. Now active this cell. Now I convert these two cells text strings to lowercase letters and concatenates these two text strings with a space between them and cell reference E9. Click text arrow button. Click lower function. In text box, click this cell reference. Enter ampersand sign. Enter quote mark. Press space key. Again enter quote mark. Again enter ampersand sign. Click cell reference D9. Click OK. Lower function converts uppercase letters text string to lowercase letters text string and concatenates these two text strings with a space between them in this cell reference. In this way, you can change the uppercase letters text string to lowercase letters text string.